Let us go to next problem. The integral of sin square x dx by cos power 4x dx is option A, polynomial of degree 5 in sin x, option B, polynomial of degree 4 in tan x, option C, polynomial of degree 3 in tan x, and option D, polynomial of degree 5 in cos x. Look at the board. We have sin square x by cos power 4x. Let me teach you a simple shortcut here. You write a denominator cos power 4x as cos square x into cos square x. Now we are left out with sin square x over cos square x into 1 over cos square x. That is integral of tan square x into secant square x dx. Put tan x as t, secant square x dx will be dt. This will be t square dt, that is equal to t cube by 3. So t cube by 3 means it should be a polynomial of degree 3 in tan x. Option C is correct. Let me write and explain. You can rewrite this as integral of sin square x over cos square x into 1 over cos square x dx. This is tan square x. In this, put tan x as t, secant square x dx, that is dx by cos square x will be dt, so we will get this as integral of tan square x dt, that is equal to tan cube x by 3 plus c. That clearly says option C, a polynomial of degree 3 in tan x is correct. Let us go to next problem. Integral of dx divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into 2x plus 3 is option A, log of mod of x plus 2 minus 1 by 3 log of mod of x minus 1 plus 2 log of mod of 2x plus 3 plus c. Option B, 1 by 15 log of mod of x minus 1 plus 1 by 3 log of mod of x plus 2 minus 2 by 5 log of mod of 2x plus 3 plus c. Option C, 4 by 5 log of mod of x minus 1 minus 1 by 15 log of x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 log of mod of x plus 2 plus c. Option D, none of these. Look at this problem. This problem can be solved using standard method, but let me teach you a simple shortcut here. This dx by log of x minus 1 into x plus 2 into 2x plus 3 can always be expressed as a into log of x minus 1, of course modulus will be there, plus b into log of x plus 2 plus c into log of 2x plus 3. You wanted the value of a, it's very simple. Close whatever is inside logarithm as a coefficient of a. That is, you have log of mod of x minus 1, its coefficient a. You wanted the value of a, then close this here. Equate x minus 1 to 0. Close x minus 1, equate x minus 1 to 0, we will get a as 1 divided by 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, that is 1 by 3 into 5, that is 1 by 15. Let me repeat this. You wanted value of a, close x minus 1, equate that to 0, that is put x is equal to 1, we'll get it as 1 by 1 plus 2 into 1 into 2 plus 3, that is 1 by 15. A must be equal to 1 by 15, or coefficient of log of mod of x minus 1 must be 1 by 15. That is, option B looks like correct. Option B looks like correct. Because option A has got 1 as option A has got minus 1 by 3 as coefficient of log of mod of x minus 1. Option C has got minus 1 by 15 as coefficient of log of mod of x minus 1. I can clearly say option A is ruled out, option C is ruled out. But we have something called as option D, that is none of these. So we have to verify whether B correct or D is correct. For that, there is no other go. We have to find out coefficient of log of x plus 2 and coefficient of log of 2x plus 3. What is coefficient of log of x plus 2? Very, very simple. Just close x plus 2 here, equate that to 0, x is equal to minus 2, 1 by 1 divided by, see, 1 divided by, we are equating x is equal to minus 2 in this, 1 divided by minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. I repeat, 1 divided by minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3, into 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. 1 divided by minus 3 into minus 1, you will get it as 1 over 3. This is coefficient of log of mod of x plus 2, or this is the value of B. B is equal to 1 by 3. Yes, we are nearing to the answer. We got 1 by 15, that is also correct. The B is equal to 1 by 3, that is also correct. But let me not conclude the answer as B itself now. Let us see whether C is also correct. Now we have to find out the value of C. You must be very, very cautious while finding out the value of C. The value of C is given by, just close this, equate x is equal to minus 3 by 2. That is, C is equal to 1 over x minus 1 into x plus 2 at x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So there is something that you have to concentrate here, concentrate properly. That is 1 over, put x is equal to minus 3 by 2 at x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So what we will get here? 1 over minus 3 by 2 minus 1 into minus 3 by 2 plus 2. That is minus 3 by 2 minus 1 will give you 1 over, so minus 5 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is minus 5 by 4. Now actually we have option as minus 2 by 5 and we are getting minus 4 by 5. Now it looks like option B is not correct, but don't jump into the conclusion that option B is not correct or the C value is minus 4 by 5. You must be very, very careful here. In the question we have got 2x plus 3. You can observe carefully here. You have x minus 1 here, x plus 2 here, and you have 2x plus 3 there. While integrating 1 by 2x plus 3, we will write it as log of 2x plus 3 divided by 2, that is the coefficient of x must be divided. Let me repeat once again. In this case, 1 by x minus 1, we will get it as log of x minus 1. While integrating 1 by x plus 2, we will get it as log of x plus 2. When we integrate 1 by 2x plus 3, we will get it as log of 2x plus 3 divided by 2. Coefficient of x must be divided. That means to say, while finalizing the value of C, we have to multiply 2 to the denominator of whatever you are getting here. You are getting 4 by 5. Multiply 2 to the denominator, you will get it as minus 2 by 5. Therefore, option B is 100% correct.
CHIPS proudly announces admissions for crash course for JEE Mains and CET coaching. Classes commence after 2nd PUC and 12th board exams. Crash course for 2nd PUC regular. Classes commence after 1st PUC and 11th board exams. accommodation assistance provided for outstation candidates. Centers at Kumta, Dandeli and Bangalore.